Let's take a comprehensive look at the Customers section of your Shopify admin. To get started, click on Customers. From here, you'll see a list of all of your customers and anyone who has subscribed to your mailing list. To manually add a new customer, click Add Customer. From here, fill in the required information like their name, email address, and contact details. You can add extra information like notes you want to refer back to or tags for organizing purposes. To manage a customer's profile, start by clicking on their name. From here, you can update contact information, view orders placed, see notes, and make other changes to their profile. To quickly update your customer list, you can also export and import CSV files. Click on the Export button and choose your file format. To import customer data, click on the Import button and follow the instructions to upload your CSV file. You can also download a sample CSV from Shopify to get started with. After you have your customers added, you can create segments. Segments allow you to group together customers who have similar characteristics. You can use a template made by Shopify or apply filters to build your segments. By using filter names and values, you can build customer segments that are as broad or as narrow as you need. The editor provides a list of available filter options to choose from. Creating specific segments allows you to communicate effectively by sending the right message to the right customer at the right time. The companies page shown here is currently only available for merchants on the Shopify Plus plan. To learn more about the features mentioned today, visit help.shopify.com.